Hi guys, I am Dr. Vinod Pankaj Misra and you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pankaj Institute of English. So dear friends, I am here with 400 MCQs of Victorian period. Dear friends, these questions are very useful for competitive exam. I have completed from question number 1 to 114 up to part 5th. This is 6th part. तो डियर फ्रेंड्स, यदि आप भी इसी प्रकार के क्वेश्चंस जानना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए पंकज इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंग्लिश तथा इसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक और शेयर करिए। शुरू करते हैं हमारा आज का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ वर्क ऑफ ठाकरे? इनमें से जो दिए हुए हैं इनमें से कौन सा वर्क ठाकरे का नहीं है, ठाकरे जी का नहीं है? ऑप्शन ए द पेरिस स्केच बुक, ऑप्शन बी द राउंड about papers, option C the Fitzbodal papers, and option D our mutual friends. So the correct answer of this question is option D our mutual friends. Option D is the correct answer. Option D our mutual friend. Which of the following is not a work of Thackeray? The correct answer is our mutual friends. Now question number 16, 116. Thackeray complained in the preface to one of his novels that since the author of Tom Jones was worried, no writer of fiction among us has been permitted to depict to his utmost power of man. Name the novel. नेम द नॉवल। यहाँ पे किस नॉवल की बात चल रही है? ठाकरे कंप्लेंट इन द प्रीफेस टू वन ऑफ हिज नॉवेल्स दैट सिंस द ऑथर ऑफ टॉम जोन्स वाज बरीड नो राइटर ऑफ फिक्शन। सो नेम द नॉवल। किस नॉवल की बात कर रहे हैं? ऑप्शन ए द थ्री जॉर्ज, ऑप्शन बी हेनरी एस्मंड, ऑप्शन सी द रोज एंड द रिंग्स, एंड ऑप्शन डी Pendennis. So the correct answer is Pendennis. Option D is the correct answer. Now question number 117. How old was Dickens? How old was Dickens when he became the reporter of the Morning Chronicle? जब वो उन्होंने How old was Dickens? Dickens कितने साल के थे when he became the reporter of the Morning Chronicles? Option A 19 year, option B 20 year, option C 21 years, and option D 22 years. The correct answer is 21 years. Dickens was 21 years old when he became the reporter of the Morning Chronicle. Now question number 118. Name the work of Charles Dickens. किसकी बात चल रही है? Charles Dickens. Name the work of Charles Dickens, which is a collection of stories and descriptive pieces written for various papers about the hitherto neglected lower middle class. So these four options are here. Option A Tomby and Son, option B Sketches by Boz, option C Pickwick Papers, and option D Our Mutual Friends. So which one is the correct answer? 118 Sketches by Boz. Option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 119. In which novel of Dickens does Sir Leicester's Deadlock appear? In which novel of Dickens does Sir Leicester's Deadlock appear? Option A Bleak House, option B Martin Chuzzlewit, option C Hard Times, and option D American Notes. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is Bleak House, यानी कि ऑप्शन ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर. इन ब्लीक हाउस Dickens does Sir Leicester's Deadlock appear. Now question number 120. Which work of Dickens made him the most popular English novelist at the age of 25 years? Dear friends, this is very most important question. This is most important question and mostly asked in many competitive exam. Which work of Dickens made him the most popular English novelist at the age of 25? 25 की उम्र में मोस्ट पॉपुलर इंग्लिश नॉवलिस्ट किस वर्क ने इनको बना दिया था? ऑप्शन ए द द क्रिसमस कैरल, ऑप्शन बी पिक बिग पेपर्स, ऑप्शन सी निकोलस निकल बाय एंड ऑप्शन डी ब्लीक हाउस. So which one is the correct answer? Option B pick big papers is the correct answer. Now question number 121. Now question number 121. Dickens' A Tale of Two Cities shows considerable influence of Carlyle's. Dickens' A Tale of Two Cities shows considerable influence of Carlyle's. Option A. Charter Rechartus. Option B. Felix Holt. Option C. Life of John Sterling. And option D. The French Revolution. Dickens' A Tale of Two Cities shows considerable influence of Carlyle's The French Revolution. Option D. Option D is the correct answer. The French Revolution. Now question number 122. Dickens' full-scale work of fiction was. Dickens' full-scale work of fiction was. कौन सा वर्क था उनका? ऑप्शन ए स्केचेस बाय बोस, ऑप्शन बी पिकविक पेपर्स, ऑप्शन सी निकोलस निकल बाय एंड ऑप्शन डी नन ऑफ दीज. So which one is the correct answer? Pickwick Papers. Dickens' full-scale work of fiction was Pickwick Papers. Now question number 123. In which novel of Dickens do Scrooge and Cratchits appear as character? In which novel of Dickens do Scrooge and Cratchits appear as a character? Option A Great Expectation, option B Nicholas Nickleby, option C The Christmas Carol, and option D A Tale of Two Cities. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option The Christmas Carol. The Christmas Carol. Option C is the correct answer. In The Christmas Carol novel of Dickens do these characters appear. Now question number 124. Which of the following novel of Dickens has a strong autobiographical note in it? Life history of a person written by himself is called autobiography. So strong autobiographical note in it. Four options are here. Option A David Copperfield, option B Pickwick Papers, option C The Christmas Carol, and option D The Old Curiosity Shop. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer of this question is the Paris. Question number 24. Which of the following novel of Dickens has a strong autobiographical note in David Copperfield? So option A is the correct answer. Yes. Most strong. Yes. Now question number 125. 125. What is the subtitle of Dickens Oliver Twist? Oliver Twist जो है बुक है उसका सबटाइटल क्या है? ऑप्शन ए द posthumous papers, option B The Paris Boys Progress, option C Our Mutual Friend, and option D Little Dorrit. So option B The Paris Boys Progress, option B is the correct answer. Dickens Oliver जो ट्विस्ट है, Oliver Twist का जो सब टाइटल है The Paris Boys Progress. Dear friends, these questions are very useful for competitive exam. So listen these questions again and again when you appear any competitive exam. Now question number 126. Now question number 126. Betsy Trotwood is a character in Dickens. Betsy जो कैरेक्टर है Betsy Trotwood वो किस वर्क में देखने को मिलते हैं या किस वर्क में कैरेक्टर है? ऑप्शन ए डेविड कॉपरफील्ड, ऑप्शन बी ब्लीक हाउस, ऑप्शन सी हार्ड टाइम्स, एंड ऑप्शन डी द ओल्ड क्यूरियोसिटी शॉप. सो विच वन इज द करेक्ट आंसर? द करेक्ट आंसर इज डेविड कॉपरफील्ड, यानी कि ऑप्शन ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर. वी कैन से Betsy Trotwood is a character in Dickens' David Copperfield. Option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Now question number 127. Dickens uniquely transferred his concern with the modern condition of England out of London in his succinct and often bitter satire on the effect of the Industrial Revolution in northern England named. Dickens uniquely transferred his concern with the modern condition of England. So these four options are here. Option A, Oliver Twist. Option B, The Old Curiosity Shop. Option C, Little Dorrit. And option D, Hard Times. So hard time is the correct answer, option D. Now question number 128. Pip is a character in. Pip is a character in option A, Little Dorrit. Option B, Great Expectation. Option C, Nicholas Nickleby. And option D, A Tale of Two Cities. A Tale of Two Cities. So which one is the correct answer? Option B. Yes, option B, Great Expectation. Pip is a character in Great Expectation. Question number 129. Which of the following is a historical novel? इनमें से कौन सा जो है वो हिस्टोरिकल नॉवल है? Which of the following is a historical novel? Option A, Nicholas Nickleby. Option B, American Notes. Option C, Our Mutual Friend. And option D, Barnaby Rudge. So option D is the correct answer. Yes. Now question number 130. Which of the following is Dickens' last work and unfinishable obsessive mystery story? Again listen the question. Which of the following is Dickens' last work and unfinishable obsessive mystery story? Option A, The Mystery of Edwin Drood. Option B, The Old Curiosity Shop. Option C, Dombey and Son. And option D, Our Mutual Friends. So which one is the correct answer of question number 130? These four options are here. So which one is the correct answer? Which of the following is Dickens' last work and unfinishable obsessive mystery story? So the correct answer of this question is The Mystery of Edwin Drood. Option A is the correct answer. Now question number 131. Rosa is a character in. Option A, Sons and Lovers. Option B, The Newcomers. Option C, Our Mutual Friend. And option D, Ruth. So जो रोजा है वो किसमें कैरेक्टर है? द करेक्ट आंसर इज आवर म्यूचुअल फ्रेंड. यानी कि ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 132. विक्टोरियंस considered Dickens as their family novelist because he avoided. Victorians considered Dickens as their family novelist because he avoided. विक्टोरियन जो थे वो डिकेंस को अपना फैमिली नॉवलिस्ट समझते थे क्योंकि he avoided option A, romance. Option B, sex. Option C, pathos. Option C, violence. So option B, sex is the correct answer. Now question number 133. Bleak House, a serious novel by Dickens and an attack on the legal system was published in. Bleak House was published in option A 1845, option B 1847, option C 1850 and option D 1853. So option D 1853 is the correct answer. Now question number 134. Identify the novel in which Charles Dickens wrote. कौन से नॉवल में चार्ल्स डिकेंस जी ने ये लिखा था? नो वर्ड्स कैन एक्सप्रेस द एगोनी ऑफ माई सोल. No words can express the agony of my soul. Option A, The Christmas Carol. Option B, Oliver Twist. Option C, David Copperfield. And option D, Great Expectation. So which one is the correct answer? David Copperfield. In David Copperfield, no words can express the agony of my soul can be seen. So option C, David Copperfield is the correct answer. Now question number 135. Question number 135, which of the following is not a work of चार्ल्स डिकेंस? इसमें से कौन सा वर्क जो है वो चार्ल्स डिकेंस का नहीं है? टॉम सावर, ऑप्शन ए टॉम, ऑलिवर ट्विस्ट, ऑप्शन बी, ऑप्शन सी मार्टिन चजलविट, ऑप्शन डी स्केचेस बाय वोज. So Tom Sawyer is not a work of Charles Dickens. Question number 136. Name the novelist whose work are replete with pictures of daily life interspersed with such scenes from history as Ludite writes. Option A, Oscar Wilde. Option B, George Eliot. Option C, Emily Bronte. Option D, Charlotte Bronte. So Charlotte Bronte, option D is the correct answer. This is the second last question of this video. डियर फ्रेंड्स, यदि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए हो तो इन्हें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और यदि आप चैनल के नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करिए ताकि इस प्रकार के वीडियो जब भी अपलोड हो तो उनका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके. द ब्रॉन्टे सिस्टर्स बिलोंग टू. ऑप्शन ए विक्टोरियन प्रोज, ऑप्शन बी विक्टोरियन फिक्शन, ऑप्शन सी विक्टोरियन ड्रामा एंड ऑप्शन डी विक्टोरियन पोएट्री. सो The Bronte sisters belong to Victorian fictions. Option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. And now this is the last question. The Bronte family had daughters. Bronte family में कितनी daughters थी? Option A 2, Option B 3, Option C 4 and Option D 5. So option D 5 is the correct answer. Dear friends, यदि आपको इस प्रकार का ये वीडियो यूज़फुल लगा हो तो प्लीज़ ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कमेंट करिए और कुछ न कुछ इसके बारे में मुझे कुछ कमेंट दीजिए. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो डियर फ्रेंड्स.